After a destructive fire 2 weeks ago in the town of Victor, no one was hurt, but now 3 businesses are working to rebuild and stay afloat in the process. Ericketta Cost reports.
Molly Wolfram returned to her yoga studio a few weeks ago to find this.
It was way worse than I thought.
Her yoga studio of 13 years is now facing smoke and water damage from the fire. Officials say started due to an electrical short.
There was some memorabilia and it was just kind of sad, but nobody was hurt, luckily.
She and other small business owners in this building have been making a temporary space elsewhere, while damage is handled by the landlord. Wolfram says it could be a few months. She's offering classes at both her friend's Pilates studio and her boyfriend's business on Railroad Street. Kathy Rayburn, Director of Economic Development in Victor, says rebuilding after 2 years of a pandemic has its challenges.
These businesses basically really just got their doors back open, but I have to say they're all taking it in stride.
Rayburn has been helping these businesses with their backup plans, connecting them to other spaces they can work out of, but not everyone has options. Brightside Sweets, a gluten-free bakery, is unable to operate elsewhere right now due to cross-contamination concerns and a massive loss of supplies.
Personally, I think they're going to be the ones that are hardest hit. They lost all their product and, have to rebuild that.
Rayburn says everyone is staying positive for the most part, thankful for insurance and safety. And in the age of social media, taking your clientele wherever you go is a lot easier than it used to be.
It's the people that really make the space. Our yogis have been still coming out, even if we're on the road.
Reporting, Ericketta Cost, News 8.
Ericketta, thanks. Fire crews say the damage was limited to the first floor and an apartment directly above. They were able to take down the fire with minimal damage to walls, windows, and doors.